Exercise 1.2, first problem. Represent these numbers on the number line 7 by 4. First question is 7 by 4. Second one is minus 5 by 6. Okay. 7 by 4 means here 7 by 4 is the improper fraction. First improper fraction can be convert into mixed fraction. 4 ones are 4, 3 is the remainder. It is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we can take the number line. 0 is the number line and 1, 2, 3 like this. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In general, the number line is like this. Here, how many parts are there? Here 1, 3 by 4. It is 1, 3 by 4. Sorry. Here 1 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder, divisor is 4. Okay. Here, each and every unit has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, it is 1, 2, 3. This 1 is nothing but 4 by 4. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4, 3 by, sorry, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. It's 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Okay. It's 8 by 4 is equal to 2. In this, it is 0. This is 1. It is 2. 0 to 1, 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts, 4 parts. Okay. Each and every part is 1/4 part. Where it is 7 by 4, this is the 7 by 4. Okay. But your teacher said mistake. There 5 divisions are there. Just so you concentrate. Only divided into 4 divisions. Next, second one. Minus 5 by 6. Again, take the number line. 0, 1, 2. It's minus 1. It's minus 2. 0 to minus 1. Total how many parts? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 6 by 6 is equal to minus 1. It is equal to minus 1. So, minus 5 by 6 is here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6 equal to 1. Just so you concentrate, 1 unit is divided into what is the denominator value is there, such number of parts. So here 4 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That is the thing. Okay. Did you understand? Second question. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 11, 9 by 11 on the number line. Again, you can take second question, minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11. Take the number line. Here 0 is the mid value. Left side negative values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. In this, the given fractions or having the 11 is a common, that is like fractions. Each and every number is divided with 11. Now you can point out what they have given. Minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11. Third one, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Which are smaller than 2. Smaller than 2 means we can write it as answer here only. Smaller than 2 means we can write minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1 by 2, or 1 by 2, 1, or 3 by 2. These all are smaller only. Okay? You can choose any numbers, any number which are smaller than 2 means all negative numbers. Minus 5 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 4, whatever the values, 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, all are smaller than 2 only. Just to you check out. These negative numbers always greater than the, less than the 2. 2 is a greater. These negative numbers are smaller than 2 positive, any positive. 0 is also smaller than 2. 1 by 4 is also smaller than 2. 2 by 4 means half is also smaller than 2. You can choose any 5 numbers. Okay. Here 7 by 4 is also smaller than 2 only. 8 by 4 is 2. Minus 5 by 6 also smaller than 2 only. We can choose infinite numbers, any 5. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Find 10 rational numbers. Fourth one. 10 rational numbers. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay. Here, in this case, take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 5 to the 10 is the LCM. Convert into like fractions. Minus 2 by 5 into 2 into 2. Minus 4 by 10. And 1 by 2 is multiplied with 5 by 5. So 5 by 10. Just you can count here. Minus 4 by 10, 5 by 10. Minus 4 between minus 4 and 5. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. But they are asking 10 rational numbers between. Just so you can multiply with 2. The numerator and the denominator in 2 cases. So it becomes minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 8 by 20. And 1 by 2 equal to 10 by 20. Now you can take in between of minus 8 to 10. How many will get? Minus 8 by 20 to 10 by 20. It is equal to 1 by 2 minus 8 by 20 equal to minus 2 by 5. So between minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 5 by 2 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20. How many? 10 over 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 over. They are asking 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 to 10, 1 by 2. Here just we can take the LCM. We are getting only 8 numbers. Okay. Convenient to write 8 numbers. In that case, again you multiply with one more number. That is 2 into 2. You are getting the between difference of 10 means so 10, 17 numbers we will get in between of minus 2 by 5 to 1 by 2. Okay, you can choose any numbers in between. Therefore, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 between rational numbers are between 10 rational numbers are minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Again, we can take the LCM. Fifth one, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. Here taking the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers. So 3 5s are 15. Next, change into like fractions. 2 by 3 into 5 by 5 equal to 10 by 15. And 4 by 5 into 3 by 3 equal to 12 by 15. See here, they are asking 5 rational numbers, but in between, we are getting only 1, 10 and 12. Between is 11. What we need? 4 more numbers we need. We can multiply with 2. Multiply with 3. 4 more numbers means multiply with 3 into multiply with 3. How much we are getting? 30 by 45. Here, 36 by 45. Difference of 36 minus 30, we are getting 35. Okay, 6 numbers. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, 35 by 45. Okay, 5 numbers we get. Second question. In that second one, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Again taking the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 2 3s are 6 is the LCM of 2 and 3. Again convert into like fractions. Minus 3 by 2 into 3, 3. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9 by 6. And 5 by 3 into 2 into 2. It is equal to 5 2s are 10 by 6. Simply we are getting 5 rational numbers. Why? Because minus 9 by 6, 10 by 6 means the 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are minus 9 after, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, 0. These all will come. Total almost 17 numbers are there. 17, 18 numbers are there in between. They are asking 5. You can choose any 5. Okay. Minus 9 to 10. How many are there? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to there. In between those numbers, you can choose any 5 only. Okay. Next problem, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Third one, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Again taking the LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 4 only. Why? Because 2 and 4 LCM. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is 2 into 2 is 4 is the LCM. So convert into like fractions. 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 only. 1 by 2 is multiply with 2, divide with 2. That is 2 by 4. So in between of 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, any numbers are there? No numbers. So you want 5 numbers means you multiply with 5. If you can multiply with 5, then you are getting 5, 10. Means again you are getting only 4 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9 only. So you should multiply with 6 for both numbers. Okay. Then 1 by 4 is equal to 6 by 6 fours are 24 and 1 by 2 equal to 12 by 24. Now you are getting how many? 6 numbers. 5, 6 numbers are easy or minimum 5 numbers are there. Therefore, 5 rational numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are 1 by 4 means 6 by 24, 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24, 11 by 24. Exactly 5 numbers are there. If 2 are positive numbers, then we can multiply with 1 more. Okay, if 5 we want, here in between no numbers are there, then we should multiply with the 6 numerator denominator for the first fraction, second fraction. Okay. Next, sixth problem. Write the 5 rational numbers greater than 2. 5 rational numbers greater than 2 means on the number line 2 after what are the numbers are there, you choose any. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 6, 7 by whatever the numbers. 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 means on the number line minus 2 after minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right side positive numbers, whatever you want to write the fraction, then you can write it as. No worries about it. Okay. Or simply you can write minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are also rational numbers only. If you want write in the fraction means you can write any number in the fraction, but put the positive sign. Each and every positive number is greater than 2 only, minus 2 only. Not 2, greater than minus 2 only. Next, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Seventh solution. Find 10 rational numbers means again taking the LCM of 5 and 4. 5 is a prime number, so 5 4s are 20.
12.
Convert into like fractions. 3 by 5 into 4 into 4. 12 by 20. And 3 by 4. Multiply with 5. 3 5s are 15 by 20. 12 and 15 between numbers, how many are there? 13 and 14, 2 are there. How many we want? 8 more we want. So we should multiply with 8 more we want means multiply with 7. 1 is less. Okay. Just you check out. Multiply with 7. Okay. 12 sevens are 84. 3 by 5 is equal to 84 by 140. Next. And 3 by 5 equal to 84 by 140. 3 by 4 is equivalent to 7 5 is 105 by 140. 84 to 105. How many are there between? 85 by 140. 86 by 140. 87 by 140. 88 by 140. 89 by 140, 90 by 140, 92 by 140, 94 by 140, 95 by 140, 96 by 140, 97 by 140. How many over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Or 10 rational numbers. Between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Is the solution.